Service learning is a teaching method that combines community service with classroom learning, aiming to improve both student skills and community welfare. Students apply what they learn in class to real-world projects that help their community, which helps them understand the material better and see its relevance. The concept can be traced back to the educational theories of John Dewey, who advocated for learning by doing. Dewey believed that education should not only occur within the four walls of a classroom, but also through hands-on practical experiences that connect learning to real-life situations. This approach helps bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, making learning more meaningful and impactful. Let's look at two key features of service learning. The first feature is its dual focus on student learning objectives and community needs. This approach ensures that the service provided meets the actual needs of the community while also achieving educational goals set by the curriculum. Another important feature is structured reflection. In service learning, reflection activities are integral, helping students make connections between their service activities and their academic coursework. Reflection can take many forms, including writing assignments, discussions, or presentations, and is crucial for deepening understanding and personal growth. Here are two benefits of service learning. The first is enhanced student engagement. Students often feel more motivated and involved when they see the direct impact of their work on the community. This increased engagement not only improves learning outcomes, but also boosts student satisfaction and retention rates. Service learning also promotes the development of critical life skills, including teamwork, problem solving, and communication. As students collaborate with community members and peers, they learn to navigate different perspectives and challenges, preparing them for professional and personal success beyond the classroom. However, service learning does have limitations. One major challenge is the resource intensity required to plan and implement effective programs. Organizing meaningful community partnerships and projects can demand significant time and effort from educators and community leaders, which might be constrained by limited budgets or institutional support. Another limitation is the potential for mismatched expectations and outcomes. Without careful coordination, the goals of educational institutions and community needs may not align perfectly, leading to dissatisfaction and less impactful results. Ensuring that both the service and learning goals are met requires ongoing communication and adjustment, which can be complex and demanding. If you're a university student, I recommend reading the article I've left in the pinned comment, which could help you with your studies, or writing an essay on this topic. You might also want to check out the videos on screen now that explore related concepts in education.